Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Akshay and today I got another interesting Google Sheet trick for you guys that would ease out your work and make your life easier, of course. So the challenge is, I have a example here, okay. You have a table where you have order ID, customer name, product, category, quantity, unit price and so forth, a lot of columns in question. And then you are given another sheet, okay. You are given another sheet and they tell you to fill the respective columns with reference to the order ID, okay. So at first glance, what is the first thing that comes in your mind? Okay, the first thing that comes into mind is the VLOOKUP formula. Okay, but as we know, a VLOOKUP is used to obtain a singular result against a particular reference cell or reference key. Okay, but I have a trick whereby I can get all the columns that I want in one go and just by using one column only. Okay, so what would a normal person do? A normal person would just look up individually for each and every column. He might look up individually and it might take him or eat up a lot of his time. Okay, but a smart person who knows how to get things done, he's gonna make sure that it moves in one way and doesn't eat up a lot of time. Okay, so I'm gonna show this trick to you and it might be useful in your workplace as well, and I hope you would like this video. Okay, so if I do a VLOOKUP, okay, against a particular reference cell, okay, comma, so my reference keys are in the A column, so A to M will be my range where I want to look up. Okay, and then suppose what I would do for the customer name is that a customer name is in the B column, I'll simply give it 2. Okay, and then I'll give 0 for the exact result, and one of the best practices that I follow. Hit enter and you get the name. Okay, but what if I want to have category, unit price, order by, country and payment methods all in one place just by using one single VLOOKUP? Let's try doing that. Okay, so what if I can use a curly bracket and put in my value for those particular row references, column references or indexes, right? So I'll give 2 for customer name, then I'm gonna give category, right? Then I'm gonna give 4 for category, 6 for unit price, 8 for order date, 10 for country, and lastly 11 for payment method. Okay, and then I'll close my curly bracket. Okay, these are the columns I want in my VLOOKUP result. Okay, and then comma, I'll give 0 to get the exact result. I'll hit enter. It doesn't come. Even if I pull it down, it doesn't come. So what is the workaround for this? There is something called the array formula. I need to nest this formula into the array formula. Okay, so what array formula does is it expands the result or contracts the result according to the parameters given to it. So suppose it has to expand the VLOOKUP result, array formula is necessary. Okay, there are a lot of documentations on array formula. You can check it out, you can try it yourself, and you're good to go. But I'll show you what is necessary here. Okay, I'll just put an array formula. Okay, formula, open bracket, and then close bracket, and then you're going to see the magic. See, this is what I'm talking about. You can use just VLOOKUP once to get all the column entries that you want. Of course, you need to be very specific about the column indexes that you are giving. Okay, else one or two column indexes can, wrong column indexes can literally spoil your results. Okay, so it's very important that you have given the correct indexes for the reference cell that you are looking to. Okay, whoops. Okay, so this is the thing. I hope you like this video. Okay, and as usual, keep learning, keep growing. I'll see you next time. Till then, happy working. Thank you.